Anthropic introduced Skills, reusable prompts you install everywhere. You write one, drop it on every machine. The work looks good, then you sharpen it. Save. On your machine, excellent. On every other machine, stuck, out of sync. Skill Studio. Skills as real software. Open Skill Studio in any folder. Browse over 100,000 skills, everyone scanned and signed before it ships. Pick your model, Claude Opus 4.7, Open Router, or a free local one. Then click New Skill to start authoring. If you build skills, start here. Click New Skill, give it a name, type one sentence. Anthropic Skill Creator on Opus 4.7 writes the SKILL.md, structure, metadata, boilerplate, from a sentence to a working skill in seconds. Open the Tests tab. 3 cases, traceable to the spec. Click Run. The model executes every assertion. All 3 pass, 100%, verified, not hoped. Push to GitHub. Paste the URL into verifiedskill.com. The pipeline scans every bundle. Pass. Version 100, listed. If you use skills, search the catalog. Pick a scope, project, user, or global. Click Install. The new skill lands in your tree, highlighted, ready to use right away. And then, the moment every author dreads. You ask Claude to design a hero. The skill loads. Out comes Enter on a purple gradient. Generic AI slop. On localhost 3000, good but not excellent. The author opens the editor and rewrites the skill.md. Never Enter or Arial. 1 dominant color, 1 accent. Pair a distinctive display with a refined body. Save bumps the version locally to 1.1. Click Publish. Verifiedskill.com rescans the same repo. The pipeline passes. Version 1.1 listed. Back on the consumer's machine, they're viewing front-end design. Version 1.0 copied. The bell lights up. Click. The pop-up shows version 1.1 is ready. View all. One more click on Update. Every machine, in sync. Same prompt as before. This time, Claude loads front-end design at version 1.1. The new rules apply now. Distinctive serif, restrained palette, generous white space, real taste in every line. Localhost 3000. Same component, completely different taste. Same skill, but a better version of it. The whole point of Skill Studio, captured in one frame. Skill Studio, open source, 100% local. Try it at verifiedskill.com.